There are tons of NFT projects out there. We have CryptoPunks, BAYC, Artblocks, Super Rare, Cyberconks, Foundation, BeFriends, Decentraland. But rarely you hear about NFT funds. These funds are like investor firms in Silicon Valley, although they don't invest in companies, they invest in NFTs. At the moment, there are many funds battling for a piece of the pie, but there is one that is currently winning this race. Metaverse has established itself as the biggest NFT fund in the world. It is the vision of two of the virtual kings of the metaverse, Metacoban and Tubador. Metacoban is the one that has no limits. He believes so much in the vision that he's willing to take 69 million out of his own pocket to buy the infamous Beeple 69 piece. Personally, he was the one to inspire me to invest all my money into crypto.
Why would anyone pay $69 million for a JPEG and a hyperlink?
Piece in art history, and sometimes these things take some time for everyone to recognize and realize, but I'm okay with that. I had the opportunity to be part of this very important change or shift in how art has been perceived for centuries. This is a change in medium. That means that there's going to be hundreds and thousands of people from around the world who are going to monetize art, and there's going to be an economy around it. And the first piece of such a important movement going forward is going to be quite valuable.
Tubador is much more low-key than Metacoban, but nevertheless he's a genius at work. He's probably one of the best persons in the entire space to spot projects in their early stages. And after hearing every single interview of him, I understand why he is in charge of so much responsibility.
That's a very gentle way of saying I'm the devil on his shoulder, Patrick.
Okay, nice. Very nice.
And I've gotten pretty good at it because I love these artists. I love these brands of art. And that's kind of how the journey started. And
in the future, I see Metaverse as part of mainstream culture. I see Metacoban owning a large portfolio of NFTs and virtual real estate, making him sort of the Donald Trump of the metaverse. And at the same time, I see Metaverse shaping the future of society towards one that empowers creators. I believe they already made history with this single piece.